Hi friends and my dear students. Now again I come with a new topic on skill development about the junior MBA program, which is brought by Clever Harvey and curated by the IIM and the Ivy League alumni. Now before going into that, let me ask you a question. Please answer. Now you have eaten pizza, right? Everyone must have eaten pizza. And pizza comes with variety of toppings. So have you ever wondered why there is a difference in the pricing of the regular pizza, which is the normal one, the margarita one, from the other one with the exotic varieties like pizza pasta or veg paradise or any variant of non-veg pizza? Why there is a change in the pricing? What differentiates one from the other? Right, it is the topping which is there on top of it. So similarly, in your life, your skills are your topping and your pizza base is your academic qualification which you are doing, right? So your academic qualification, like if you see, I mean, everyone is completing their academic qualification up to graduation or post-graduation depending upon the case. Some get very well placed, some average, some get very low placements. So what differentiates one from the other? It is the skill which is there. So your skill is the deciding factor on which you are placed, right? So could you understand the correlation between the pizza topping and the skill? So your skill is equivalent to your pizza topping. So better the topping, better is the skill for you. So in light of the same, this junior MBA program, it's another feather to your cap in the form of skill. Now junior MBA, as I have mentioned, it's by Clever Harvey. It's an IIM and Ivy League alumni curated curriculum with an intent to develop holistic business and leadership skills that teenagers need to excel in the 21st century. So we can say this program is designed by the people who understand business and taught by the people who understand the teenagers. So that is the simple mantra of this program. Now let me ask you some simple questions. I think as a parent, like I have faced these and I'm facing these questions. Similarly, you must have also faced or come across these questions, must have crossed your mind. Like, what will my child become when they grow up? What subjects should they choose? Which college should they go to? Like, these questions keep on haunting every parent, which are related to your child's future, right? So your teenager is helping you make these decisions without even realizing what they want to do. Do you know how? Please listen to the slide very carefully. There are 4 signs that a child is showing that they have some entrepreneurial potential. Number 1, when your child is asking for more, dil mange more. So what does it mean? Suppose you find your child asking for a pocket money raise, or they try to talk you into why they really need that PlayStation or any particular dress or bag or smartphone, whatever it may be. You know that your child is determined to find the path that works in their favor, and that is a trait all entrepreneurs possess. So what is that? Their ability to communicate and negotiate. Please remember, if your child has that power to communicate to you what he or she wants and negotiate simultaneously, means they have entrepreneurial skills. Second point, your child is always up to some task. They're always busy, means they're always on their switch on mode. They're never on their switch off mode. The child is always thinking of things to do or new projects to take on. So this is also a very healthy sign, and this shows they want to be hands-on and want to learn something new. So this inquisitive and learning is an essential part of being an entrepreneur. Third point, when your child enjoys the group projects, this is another sign of a child who enjoys and is good at teamwork. So these kids are self-motivated. They like to take charge. They show leadership qualities, and they are quintessential to being an entrepreneur. Next point which you can see in your child, this is the most important point according to me. The child does not give up. That killer instinct. If your child looks at problems as puzzles, not obstacles, and comes up with solution, they have problem solving skills and tenacity, patience, which is very important requirement for entrepreneurs. So my message to all the parents, if your child possesses any of these traits, you must support them in developing these traits further by taking them to either business conferences, signing them for short courses or internships. But most importantly, giving them an environment where they feel free to explore their potential. So as you can clearly see, the Forbes magazine, they have stated that effective communication, creativity, problem solving, these are the most valued skills for the child for the future, and entrepreneurship helps them to develop those skills. So what are the things covered in this junior MBA journey? They will learn in a very fun and interactive way. They will practice by applying their own idea. So it is an truly experiential in nature. Apply by solving a company's challenge. So a problem is given to you, right from the conception of the idea to the solution will be worked by you, and finally you get your industry certificate. Now, basically, who can do this program? So, a student who is from grade 7 to grade 12, it's a 5-week program, that is 25 days, 1 hour each day. You will get certification at the end of the program, and you'll have a lifetime access to the program. So this program helps in sharpening your presentation skills. It hones innovation and creativity and build commercial acumen. Hence, it is preparing you to be a leader in the real world. So this is the picture of the certificate, which you can clearly see. So do you know that India has the third largest startup ecosystem in the world? So you should write the golden era of digital startup, which is right now, right in the 21st century. Now, what are the things you're going to learn as a part of this program? You will learn value proposition, market sizing, unit economics, team designing, business planning, and how to pitch to the investors, which is the most crucial part of any business deal. What you get at the end of this program, you will inculcate the real world skills. Number one, the improved decision making ability. Number two, financial planning and budgeting skill. Third is strategic long term thinking and ability to identify opportunity. So this is a junior CEO Ivy League faculty certificate. Actually, it's a real world business idea student can work upon. So thank you so much. If you feel that your child should inculcate these values, please contact me, do write mail to me or visit my website for further details. Thank you. And if you like this information, please hit the like button and do uh, subscribe to my channel and share it within your family and friends so that more and more people are aware about the various educational programs and how you can improve in this current scenario when schools are working online, which when you are not having any exposure of any practical activity. So in these critical time, program like this are really helpful to the students. Thank you so much.